I have 3 boards. I had cut down some boards, and these are the pieces that I cut off those boards. And I thought, well, I'll just keep them and work and do something. So I decided I was going to make a snowman. The bottom will be down here. Top of the hat will be up here. I will take this compass and I will draw the different portions of the snowman. Of course, the snowman is white, so I have white. The hat is black, so I have black. The eyes, the mouth, and the buttons are all black. The nose, which is normally a carrot, is orange, so yellow and red make orange. So I will have an orange painted nose. This is the jigsaw that I will use to cut the outline of hat and the different size snowballs. Do the curves with this. I have some smaller blades that are not as aggressive as this, so it'll make the edges smoother. Jigsaws are easy to use, but again, you gotta be careful. It is a cutting blade. I measured this. This is 12 inches. I'm going halfway, which is 6 inches. Halfway up, 6 inches. And then I adjusted my square. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna mark it. That's the bottom. Now what I'm gonna do, since I know this is 6 inches, and I have to make my next circle smaller, I go a bit more. I may want to go 3/4, which is 1.5 inches. Now I know the center is 6 inches, so if I mark 6 inches, so 6 inches, knock off 3/4. It intersects. I need to go down a little bit lower. The snowball always is a little bit lower.
Okay.
Knock off another 3/4, which would bring us down to about 4.5.
The center is
6 inches
okay. The
from
center.
edge to edge.
Oh, okay.
All this will be painted anyway. But the second circle, see how I left some overlap. Now we have the head. That's the body, chest area, and this is the bottom. And I bought this at a box store. It was
How much?
pretty cheap. For the quality, yeah, you can't beat it. Sits down on the head a little bit. Again, it's approximately 12 inches across, which halfway would be 6 inches, and in this case it's, and so again, there's not an, I don't have an exact science on this.
You're doing the hat for snowman now.
Yeah, the brim.
The brim. Okay.
I'm only going to go the width of this square. And then now let's see. 1/2 inch or 5/8. 5/8 of an inch, which 5/8. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That will be the brim. If I just cut it up to here, cut this out, leave a little hat. What we have to do, go 5 inches. This will be the hat. We will cut this off, cut this off. Okay, when I cut this, I've decided that this area here is not going to provide a lot of strength. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to drop the brim down and maybe another 1/4 inch, and that way there's more contact between the brim and the side of the head. If I drop it another, is from here to here. You can see from a distance.
Yeah, make it stronger and easier to see.
And now if you look, this will be cut. All this area here will be cut out. Because when I cut it, it'll be like this.
Okay.
I'll probably save this and use it on another project.
Good. Good job, Dad. Start see some part of
The shape.
I can see.
Partial.
Uh-huh.
I'm going to cut this little piece. Oop.
Body.
Yes.
These are.
That's the chest area, and that's the head.
Okay.
And it will glue back.
Okay. You will use super glue.
Yes.
That part broken.
I'll add some glue here. I'll glue it there. I've got some real good glue, all-weather glue, and then I'll glue this strip here.
Okay, this will be stronger.
What I'm going to do is I'm going to take this section of wood and I'm going to glue it on top of this to add definition, or more 3D effect.
Okay. What happened?
Well, apparently when I cut this other piece, I was off a little bit.
You have to fix it, right?
Yeah, I'll fix it. You can do it on like that. I will use resistant and interior exterior. Cut some strips here. I have decided to make this sort of solid. Cut another strip, glue it and clamp it. This piece would be glued and clamped. Just scraps of wood I've kept. Interior exterior glue. And this will be on the back side of the snowman.
Wow. I can see snowman now. Oh, it's nice.
Tomorrow, after the glue dries, sets overnight, I will probably complete it. I'm gonna take an L bracket and stick it here, and I'll use that to mount it onto a base.
Start from the top.
In the traditions, when they made snowman, they used old top hats. This is a black acrylic, which I like using acrylic because of cleanup. This is a interior exterior indoor outdoor paint.
You paint both sides to protect the wood.
Yes, I do. I'm not painting everything right now. I've got to let this black coat to dry. I'm thinking half an hour to an hour.
Okay.
First, I'm painting both sides since this will maybe sit out in the weather. If you paint the wood will last.
Gloss white?
Gloss white, which means shiny.
Gloss white means shiny.
The pigments start settling down towards bottom, so you have to stir the paint to mix it up. She's now a pharmacist. We're very lucky with our children.
So you're gonna paint front and back too?
Yeah. To the back here, and then I'll just attach it to the base.
What you have?
I shaped the nose a little bit. Hat band.
Headband, acrylic, red paint,
A little red.
and a little bit yellow together. Second time painting. Paint both sides.
This is the front side.
Oh, when the sun hit,
Yeah, it makes it look brighter.
it's finished the second time already.
Yes.
Second time painting.
Well, I'm going to turn the fan on. Let's go here and here. Now we have to make the mouth. Well, most coal is about the same size. Look, I can paint white over here.